Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. ### tutorial on Java Test-Driven Development, TDD. Test-Driven Development, TDD, is a software development process that relies on writing tests before writing the actual code. The main steps in TDD can be summarized as follows. 1. Write a test. Write a failing test for a new feature. 2. Run the test and see it fail, this confirms that the test is valid. 3. Write the code, write the minimum amount of code necessary to make the test pass. 4. Run the test again to ensure it passes. 5. Refactor the code for optimization while ensuring that all tests still pass. 6. Repeat the cycle for the next feature or enhancement. ### setting up the environment. For this tutorial, ensure you have the following: Java Development Kit, JDK, installed. A build tool like Maven or Gradle. A testing framework like JUnit, we'll use JUnit 5. ### example, developing a simple calculator. Let's walk through a simple example of creating a basic calculator with addition functionality using TDD. Step 1, create a Maven project. We'll create a Maven project. In the terminal, run. This will create a new Maven project structure. Step 2, add JUnit dependency. Open pom.xml and add the following dependency for JUnit 5. Step 3, write a failing test. Create a new test class calculator test.java in src/test/java/com/example/. Step 4, run the test. When you run the test for the first time, it should fail because the calculator class and the add method do not exist yet. To run the tests, use ###. Step 5, write the code. Now let's create the calculator class. Create calculator.java in src/main/java/com/example/. Step 6, run the test again. Run the tests again. This time, the test for the add method should pass. Step 7, refactor. In this case, the implementation is already quite simple and doesn't need much refactoring. However, if you had complex logic, you would improve the code while ensuring that all tests still pass. Step 8, add more functionality. Let's say we want to add a subtraction feature. 1. Write a failing test for subtraction. Add this to calculator test.java. 2. Run the test, it will fail since we haven't implemented subtract yet. 3. Implement the subtraction in calculator.java. 4. Run the tests again, now both tests should pass. Conclusion. In this tutorial, we have covered the basics of test-driven development using Java and JUnit. TDD encourages you to think carefully about your requirements before coding, leading to better designed, more maintainable code. Further reading. Refactoring, learn about code smells and refactoring techniques. Advanced TDD, explore mocking frameworks like Mockito for testing complex interactions. Continuous integration, set up CI pipelines to automate testing on code changes. Feel free to expand on this example by adding more operations, multiplication, division, error handling, or even a command line interface.